Good day. Welcome to our first lesson in Physics, an introduction. Our learning objectives are identify unit and measurements, recognize with basic trigonometry concept, describe difference between scalar and vector quantity, determine the component of a 2D vector, and sketch and solve addition and subtraction of vectors. Our topic outline, units and measurement, trigonometry, scalar and vector quantity, vector component, and finally, vector addition and subtraction. Our first topic, units and measurement. Physics is a quantitative science. The lessons and calculation throughout the subject always involve measured quantities with specified numerical values. Scientific measurements are expressed in the metric system. This is a decimal system in which all of the units of a particular quantity are related to one another by factors of 10. The common prefixes used to express these factors are listed in this table. In the first column, we can see the factor of 10. Second column, its equivalent prefix. In the third column, the abbreviation used. It is useful It is useful in interpreting a very large quantity or a very small quantity. For example, let's say we have 1 million meter, which is equivalent to 1 times 10 raised to 6 meter, which is also equal to, based on the table, times 10 raised to 6 is mega. Therefore, 1 million meter is equal to 1 mega meter. Let's say you have 0.0000001 meter, which is equal to 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter. And according to the table, times 10 raised to negative 6 is equal to micro. Therefore, 1 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter is equal to 1 micrometer. Example problem. Let's convert 1,125 meter to kilometer, 250 millimeter to meter, and 2,020 kilometer centimeter. First problem. You have 1,125 meter convert to kilometer. 1,125 meter let's multiply this one by 1, wherein 1 kilometer is equal to 1 times 10 raised to 3 meter. So we have to eliminate the unit of meter. So by dividing it by meter, we can have 1.0 125 kilometer. Number 2 problem. Number 2 problem. 250 millimeter convert to meter. 250 millimeter is equal to, let's multiply this one by 1 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter is equal to 1 millimeter, so that we could able to eliminate the unit millimeter. Therefore, we have 0.25 meter. Number 3 problem. 2020 kilometer convert to centimeter. Now, let's multiply 2020 kilometer by 1 times 10 raised to 3 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. And multiply it again by 1 centimeter over 1 times 10 raised to negative 2 meter, so that we can cancel now kilometer and meter. Now, our answer is 2.02 times 10 raised to 8 centimeter. Now, let's test your understanding. Arrange the following value from greatest to least. To do that, your answer must be written down in the comment section of this video.